got our backpacks. We got one carry-on that we're taking. We're about to get an Uber, and from there it'll be 12 hours of travel. We boarded our first flight out of Portland International Airport and continued on with connections in North Carolina and Miami. After a long journey, we finally arrived at our first destination of Punta Pacifica in Panama City, where we'd be staying at the JW Marriott. Welcome to our home away from home, at least for the next 3 days. After that, we're going to be moving to a new place. We thought this room was pretty unique. Hi. Because it has this beautiful bathroom. It has a waterfall shower head. It was super relaxing after 12 hours of flying yesterday. Toilet behind here with a phone for some reason. It's kind of weird because if you have to make some important phone calls. Aside from that, it has a double mirror and double sink and an awesome tub that we definitely used last night with some Epsom salts. We were sore from lugging our luggage through 3 different airports. Also a giant closet. I won't open it because it's super messy right now. Our luggage kind of exploded when we got into it yesterday. But yeah, here's the bed. Super cozy. We passed out last night. Woke up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day. Another reason we got this room was because of the beautiful ocean view from the balcony. Our room is situated on the 32nd story of this high-rise. It really makes you feel like an ant when you see the scale of these buildings. This is one of the nicer places we're going to be staying in Panama. Maybe the nicest. The way we're trying to make this trip a little bit more cost-effective is by intermixing nicer hotels with some hostels. That's not to say that the hostels aren't nice. A lot of them have really great reviews. We're visiting Panama right at the end of the dry season and the very beginning of the rainy season. So far the weather has been pretty overcast, but we're hoping that it clears up soon. Luckily, there was no rain in sight, so we went ahead and took advantage of the beautiful infinity pool and enjoyed the sights of the skyline from across the bay. After enjoying the pool for a bit, we decided to head back up to our room. We were still pretty jet lagged, so we didn't feel like going out to dinner. Instead, we ordered some room service. The food here is delicious. After a good night's rest, we headed to the MultiPlaza Mall. This mall is absolutely massive. It boasts a wide array of more high-end luxury stores. You'll also be able to find any of your more basic brand names that you can find at any mall in the United States as well. I would definitely recommend taking a trip to MultiPlaza if you have any shopping you need to get done, because you'll probably find it here. There's just so many stores to explore. We decided to eat at Paladar, which is this lovely restaurant in the mall that has outdoor seating. They have really good food here and awesome live music. There was also a point in the night where they handed out a round of free tequila shots to all the customers. After our mall adventure, we got dressed up to go to Los Urban Beach Club.
This bar is so unique. The floor is made of sand. It feels like you're literally on the beach even though it's located in the hotel in a very metropolitan area. I ordered their signature drink, the Lost Beach. It's the best drink I've ever had. After a fun night out, it was time to head back to the room. What better way to end a long fun day than with a nice relaxing bath? Did I mention that I love this tub? I woke up the next morning early to see the sunrise, and I was so happy that the sun finally decided to join us on our trip. We enjoyed a delicious breakfast on the balcony and took in the views of the Pacific Ocean. I think it's about time to go check out the pool again.
Hi everyone! So we're at Azul Bar in the JW Marriott. It's our last day staying here before we head to Viejo, and we are just taking in the sights, enjoying the ocean view, soaking up the sunshine, having some pina coladas.
Join me next time as I explore Casco Viejo, the historic district of Panama City. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.